Hiya, welcome back to my channel. Many thanks for stopping by. It's always a pleasure having your company. I'm here to do the first week of July's cash stuffing for my savings challenges, and as you know, I am alternating the challenges each week. I have £140 here, 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. £140 to stuff today, and depending on what I get out of the challenges, I may have some. I will start with my July. Love these savings challenges. Each icon is £5, so I'm going to do £15 today, and I'll colour that in. Put that £15 here first, just in case I forget, and I'll just colour that in by speeding it all up. Okay, that one's done. That's all done for another week, and this orange is different from the one above. I can't remember what orange I used. Maybe it was this one. Yeah, I believe it was this one, so I'll keep that one out for next time. So that's £15. And this is from January to December. These were gifted to me from Zai at Cash and Spanglish, and I was very grateful, very thankful. Now the next challenge I'll be doing is the £150 dice challenge, and I'm going to take out 2 dice. I think I will do greens today. I'll get that started. That's 2 3s, so that's 6. Let's do 2 3s. And then we'll go again. That's 5 and 3. Okay, so that's 5 and 3 is 8, and 3 is 11, 12, 13, 14. So I will put 15 in today. That, and I'll just put that aside. I'm not quite sure where we are. Let's see what wallet we're in. Big roll the dice. That's £150 dice challenge, and that will go in here. And the next one up is the Knockout 9. Right, so we've got these 2, and then we'll just change the dice. I'm going to do 2 white dice. Let's have a look. I'd like to finish the last 2 lines today. So that's a 2 and a 5, that's 7. Six and 3 is a 9. Lovely. Four and 2 is 6. 6 and 3 is 9, and we don't have a 6 and 3, but we have a 8 and 1, or I can do the 5 and 4. I will do the 8 and 1. And I hope I don't get a 1. Please. 5 and 3, that's 8. So we'll do 5 and 3. And 2 4s, so that's 8, so I'm done. So we've got 4 and 2, that is £6. Lovely, just put the 6 there, and then we'll carry on. So we've got a 4 and a 5, that's 9. That's 12. Whoa. Whoa. That's 8, 10, 12, 8 and 4. That's 6 and 1, that's 7. And that's 8, that's 6 and 2, 8, or I could have done 5 and 3, I could have done, maybe I should have done 5 and 3, 5 and 2, ooh, that's 7, done, I'm done, so that's 5, 8, 9, so that's 9, 5 and 3 is 8 and 1 is 9, so that's £15. That's not bad, and that's all completed, all finished. Hooray! That one's all done. I'm really happy with that. Let's see what we've saved for knockout 9. 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 100, 10, 20, 30, 35, 40, 45, 145. Great savings, not bad. And that's all done. I'm so happy that it's all finished with. Lovely. Alright, and the next one we have is the thank you piggies, and I'm going to, each pig is £5, so I'm going to put 5, 10, 15. I'll do all the little piggies, so that's 5,
10, 15.
15 there. For the thank you piggies. And then let's see what else we've got. The new cards. So I'm going to shuffle all the cards and see what we get. So So the Jack is 11, the Queen is 12, King is 13, Ace is 1. Let's go for it. Let's see what we can select today. We've got a 3 of hearts. Right, and I'll just mark that off. Three of hearts, mark that off. And we'll go again. That's Ace. Ace is 1. We'll just mark the Ace and the Ace of Spades. That's 1. That's 3 and 4. And let's see what else we get. We've got King of Clubs, and King is 13, so we'll do the King of Clubs. That's King of Clubs up here. Right, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, so that's 17, and we'll just put, I'll just get the extra £3, and I'm going to put these back in the box here. And these will go in here and won't be used again. So let me just get the £3. Oh, let's have a look. 17 £17, right? 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So that's 5, 10, 15, 17. And I'm using I've put out a new jar again for the coins. So that was good for today. That was good. And then we'll just mark off this one. £700 savings if I save £20 each time. So I'm going to save £20 today, and I'm just going to mark that off. That's done. Lovely. And everything gets put into one wallet. So that's that. And let's see what else we've got here. July's been done. I'd like to try this YouTube money challenge, but I've got to get it sorted out and then I'll come back to that. And now I have the 52 weeks that I'm not doing anything. I'm going to put the rest for rollover, which is 20, 40, 45 pounds for rollover, and I have 25 pounds here, I think 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 from last week, so we've got quite a bit for rollover for next week. And that's that. If you did like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing. If you do, hit the bell in order to receive notifications as to when I upload my new videos. Take care of your good selves and see you back soon. Bye for now. Bye.